Out-of-form Jamaican sprint hurdler Rochelle Burton, and American 200-meter World Championship finalist Tamara Clark are the latest athletes to be banned by the Athletics Integrity Unit, the AIU, for anti-doping rule violations. Keon Rayner tells us more.
American World Championship 200 meters finalist from Oregon 2022 Tamara Clark and Jamaican former World Under-20 hurdle silver medalist Rochelle Burton have received 4-month bans from the Athletics Integrity Unit AIU for an anti-doping rule violation. According to impeccable TVJ Sports sources, Clark and Burton were charged in relation to Rule 2.2 of the Water Code, which deals with the possession of a prohibited substance or a prohibited method. The method is understood to have been an IV infusion above the allowable limit in an impermissible setting. Clark was sixth in the 200 meters with a 22.32 seconds at last summer's World Championships in Eugene, Oregon, USA. Our sources indicate that the athletes voluntarily admitted to the offense and were given the reduced sanction of 4 months under the Water Code. The sanctions run from February 1 to May 31 for Clark and Burton. It means they both are eligible to start competing as of June 1. Clark's attorney Paul Green as well as Burton's attorney Howard Jacobs could not be reached for comment up to sports time. Our sources indicate that the sanction is agreed upon with both the AIU and WADA. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.
Thank you, Kim.